Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today we are continuing our journey in a must-try AI tools in Canva. Here in a part 39, I will show you the film camera, which is a pretty easy going application where we can create this old-fashioned filterized picture from any new image. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment and hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and let's get started. But before we really starting, as usually, we are going to the Canva app marketplace and checking the application. So this one is said, add films filter your Canva design easily. Transform your Canva design with classic film camera effects. That sounds amazing. And this application was developed by Anubhav Ghosh. Thank you very much. Highly appreciated your job. This application is also highly recommended, and it's really nicely working. I have only one feature, but this one feature is done by perfectly. So I added the same image again. As you can see, go into the apps, searching for a film camera, and when we start the application, this is the main screen. Select an image. I just have to click on it, and immediately this settings is coming from a previous job. So we can increase the grain. As you can see, I don't really like it's too grainy, like somewhere here. We can add some vignette, which is also, you can see this vignette on with us old pictures. We can also add this light leak. As you can see immediately, I just give one, just increase it. And we can change the pattern where we would like to have it. Oh yeah, that's amazing. Nothing you can see from the image. That's typical from that area. And we can also use this seed, but now for this image I think I just keep it like this. And we can also add some overlay, and this overlay we can also change the intensity and just adding to the image. As you can see, that's immediately that's a photo from the 80s when they was over saturated. I don't know, that was, could be the settings was already wrong, or the afterwork was not proper with the image, or with actually with the film. But that's typical like the 80s. This one was not that bad, what I did first, but second, that's typically mid 80s bad quality image. And I know mostly we need the opposite. We have a bad quality image and we would like to increase the quality or get rid of this those light effects or any scratches or something from the image. But time to time we need the opposite, so like we can create this old-fashioned bad quality image, or actually photo effect from any absolutely new image. So this application works perfectly. I really like it. Highly appreciated for the developer again, who made an amazing job. This application is highly recommended again. And now this tutorial going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button. Subscribe to my channel. Also, do not forget to click on this small ring to get notification about my new uploads. And please also leave comment in the comment section if you struggling anything in the Canva. and I try to answer as soon as possible. If it's possible, just first with just answering it, or if it's a bit more difficult, I will create a tutorial and try to show you how you can solve this problem. Please also visit my Facebook page, where you can find lots of another Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts. Plus, you can find a bunch of text-to-image prompts for image generation for different kind of AI applications. So if you're also interested on this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page also. You can find a link in the description. And in the same description, you can also find a link of my new Instagram and TikTok channel, where you can find lots of short tutorials. And I just start to creating them. Hope so you are also like this. If yes, please also subscribe to my other channels and also visit my Facebook page. But now, this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.